Most people spend hours building reports that take Excel 2 seconds to generate. And the worst part, they don't even know it. If you are manually copying, pasting, and reformatting data every single week, that is not a workflow. That is a tax on your time, and pivot tables are the refund. Welcome to Excel Bytes, Pivot Table Crash Course. I am Nabil Murad, Microsoft MVP and corporate trainer. And in this course, I will take you from raw data all the way to AI-powered dashboard. 14 videos, 2 minutes each, zero fluff. We start by building the perfect data foundation. Then we drag and drop and turn a flat table into a fully analytical report in under a minute. We cover formatting, calculations, layouts, slicers, conditional formatting, and then we go further. We replace the classic pivot with a single live formula. We ask AI to build a report using plain English, and we close by assembling a dashboard with charts and KPI cards that updates the moment your data does. Download the exercise file in the description, because in Excel Bytes, we learn by doing, not by watching. Let's get started.